How to make your first investment using Apricot Capital Trade and Invest app. Buying your first stock or ETF. Open the app and tap on Quick Trade. Search for the desired stock or ETF. Note that the following example is not an investment recommendation. The example is for illustrative purposes only. Let's say you want to buy Apple stock. To find it, search for the company's name, Apple, or the stock ticker symbol, AAPL. Under the Market Info, you will find information on the stock, its current price, and more. Under Buy, select Market to buy at the current price, or Limit to set your own price. If you select Limit, the transaction will be completed if the seller matches your price. For this tutorial, let's select Market. In the Lot section, input the quantity of the stock you want to buy. In our case, let's buy 1 stock of Apple. Input the amount and tap on Send, then Approve. You can view your orders and portfolio information on the home screen or in the Menu section. Congratulations! You just made your first investment using our app. Follow us on social media and explore our website for useful resources on investments. Thank you for watching. Apricot Capital is regulated by the Central Bank of Armenia.